Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a discussion thread on Substack. This is a great way to engage directly with your subscribers and foster community conversations around topics that matter to your audience. Let's walk through this together. First, you'll want to navigate to substack.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account where you manage your newsletter, as this is where you'll be creating the discussion thread for your subscribers to engage with. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Substack dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu with several options. Look for the one labeled Chat and click on it. This section is specifically designed for direct communication with your subscriber base, allowing you to create more informal and immediate conversations compared to traditional newsletter posts. Once you're in the chat section, you'll notice a few different options available to you. What you're looking for here is Subscriber Chat. Click on that option to proceed. This feature is what enables you to start conversations that only your subscribers can see and participate in, making it a more exclusive and intimate space for community building. Now that you're in the subscriber chat area, you'll see an option to start a new thread. Go ahead and click on it. This is the gateway to creating a fresh discussion topic where your subscribers can share their thoughts, ask questions, and interact with both you and each other. It's a powerful tool for understanding what your audience cares about and keeping them engaged between newsletter issues. You'll now see a text field where you can compose your message. Here's where you type in the discussion topic you want to discuss with your subscribers. Be clear and engaging with your prompt to encourage meaningful responses. It could be a question, a topic for debate, or simply an invitation to share experiences related to your newsletter's theme. Once you've crafted your message and you're satisfied with what you've written, click the Send button to publish your thread. And there you have it. You've successfully created a discussion thread on Substack that your subscribers can now see and respond to. This opens up a new channel for community interaction beyond your regular posts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.